Okay, so I did this piece of little art uh like yesterday, and this is my hand. Yeah. Okay, so check it out. I think I want to do some art on this channel. Like, that doesn't mean I'm gonna give up tarot entirely, but I just made like functional Ethernet art with the excess cord that connects my modem to my laptop. It's pretty fucking cool. Okay, I'm gonna turn it towards myself. I'm not gonna know how I look until I see this video. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yo! Alright. Peace. What is this? Peace out. Out. Sorry. Okay, bye.